Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabet and we are learning in groups. So far, we have done 10 lessons in which we discussed 10 groups. Out of 29 letters, we have done nearby 23. Arabic alphabets are like this: Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ho, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Zod, To, Z, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. So these are Arabic alphabets in order. The first letter along with Hamza, which is though the 29th letter, 28th letter, but we discuss it with Alif. And why we discuss is Hamza with Alif here. You can find it in my video, which is lesson number 1, group number 1. So we discuss it in group number 1. The next three letters Ba, Ta, and Sa we discuss lesson number 2. Jim, Ha we discuss in lesson number 3. Da, Za in lesson number 4. Ra and Za in lesson number 5. Seen, Shin is lesson number 6. Saw, Zaw is lesson number 7. Taw, Zaw is lesson number 8. Ain, Ghain lesson number 9. And for Qaf, Kaf is lesson number 10. You see, they have a pattern. They have a pattern. Ba, Ta, Sa have the same shape, but the presence of the dot make them different. Jim, Ha have the same shape. Dal, Zal, and the Ra, Zaw, and the Sin, Shin, and the Saw, Zaw, and the Taw, Zaw, and the Ain, Ghain, and the Fa, Qaf, Kaf. That's why we are learning Arabic alphabet groups. Learning Arabic alphabet groups is very easy. In this way, you learn the things in some pattern, and learning in pattern in groups is very easy to memorize it. And also, you learn it very fast without wasting the time. Now, let's move to the next lesson, which is group number 11. Here we will discuss three letters: Lam, Mim, Noon. Lam, Mim, Noon. Lam, Mim, Noon. Let's try writing. How to write it? Lam is just like this shape. Let's try it again. Lam, Lam. And for Mim, just like this. Mim. Let's try it again. Mim. Let's try it again. Mim. You see? And for Noon, it's like this. Noon with one dot. Noon with one dot. Noon. So these are three letters with three with their shapes. Now let's learn what is their equivalent in English. The equivalent of lam in English is letter L. Equivalent of letter meme in English is letter M. And for letter noon it is letter N. The phonics of lam is just like L, just L in length. And phonics of meme is just like a M, just like M in moon. And phonics of letter noon is just like a N, just like N in no. That is very easy. Let's move to the articulation point. The articulation point of lam is the tip of the tongue involving the incisors and the other letters. And the premolars, here are the molars. Lam is pronounced along with the tip of the tongue is basically the egytian, when incisor along with the two teeth and the premolar. These are Lam when the tip of the not only the tip of the tongue, the more part than the tip of the tongue, the front part of the tip of the tongue touches the premolars that's adjacent to teeth and the incisors per side. Lam, lam, premolars and the two adjacent teeth and the incisors. Lam, lam is pronounced, and meme is pronounced from the lip. Meme when you touch lips with each other with soft. Meme, meme. The articulation point of ba is also the lips, but for ba, you close the lips with some force. Ba, strongly. Ba, ba. But for me, you close the lips softly. Me, me. And this was the articulation point of lam, and it was of meme. And for noon, noon is also pronounced from the front part of the tongue. But for noon, premolars are not involved. It is only incisors and the sides two and the two side teeth. Incisors and two side teeth before the premolars. For the premolars, the front three teeth. You can say two scissors, right and left, two and left, two teeth. Two scissors and right and left, two teeth. These and wo. This is to here, to here. Premolars are not involved in noon. Noon, noon. And for lam, premolars and the incisor and the middle two teeth. Lam, lam. This is the articulation point of all these letters, and that is enough for today. Don't try to forget all the letters from the beginning up to this lesson. If you really want to learn Arabic letters, because letters for any language is the basis. If your basics are strong, you can learn any language easily. So make your base strong. Don't forget to watch my channel, subscribe my channel, and visit my site where you will find the written information about all these letters. Assalamu alaikum.